Hey everybody, welcome back to Highline ADV. Got a truck coming, we're gonna wait for that. The joys of living in the country. Alright, welcome back to Highline ADV. It is a chilly 50 odd degrees today. And honestly, really nice. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Would you just look at it? It's beautiful. Alright. So, today, I'm going to be talking a little bit about this bike that I got, the 2007 V-Strom, and some of the stuff that was already done to it when I got it, a little bit of the history, and what I know about it. So, a little bit of what I know is I am the third owner of this 19-year-old motorcycle. First owner was in Oregon. Second was a Montana resident that snowbirded to Arizona. So this bike spent most of its life in Arizona. It's been a desert bike and is in really good shape, all things considered. I've seen a lot of bikes up here that end up a little bit rusted out. This one is not. It's really clean. The guy that sold it, just an older guy getting out of riding and wanted to get rid of it. So that's how I came to have it. I have wind. So much wind. If the audio is terrible, I will do a voiceover. So much wind. So much. All right. So, I have maintenance records going all the way back to 2013 when this bike was purchased by the second owner. I have registration. I have insurance. I have all kinds of stuff from 2013 on for both Montana, where I acquired it, and Arizona, where it spent most of its life. And I need to glue that seat cover back down. It's flopping it. There hasn't been a ton of stuff done to it. It's pretty stock. It's got a little bit of stuff. The top box came with the bike. It's okay. I like that it's easy to get on and off. You just unlock it and push a button and it pops off, and that's great. As far as the engine goes, nothing has really been done. It's had a new chain put on it. I need to do a tire. It's had some suspension work done to it. I'm not sure which owner did it, but one of the owners put low profile turn signals in the front. The back ones are stock. It's got handguards on it. These appear to be Pro Bend handguards, wind guards, whatever you want to call them. It's got an X mount, RAM mount with a charger that is not currently hooked up. I need to work on that. And it has heated grips on it, which again are not currently hooked into power. So I need to work on that before it gets cold. I believe this windscreen is an upgrade. I think it's taller than the stock one, but it is on the stock mount. So I'm probably going to adjust that just a little bit higher because with a peaked helmet, it gets a little buffety at higher speeds. I also have someone at some point put braided brake lines on this bike. So that's on there as well. One less thing I have to do. It has a battery tender plug pre-installed, ready to go for winter time. And this little brake linkage guard egg is aftermarket as well. But honestly, it's pretty stock. The exhaust is stock, the pegs are stock, everything is stock. It looks like at one point the shift lever broke. So it has a bolt through it with some jam nuts on the back, and that's pretty much it. That might get replaced at some point, but honestly, it works fine. It's not rubbing on anything. And I don't have a whole lot of arguments with it. So that is the state of the bike as I found it. Like I said in the last video, if you didn't see that, go check it out. I had to change the oil in this bike, and I need to put a tire on it. I have the tire. I just need to do it. I'm waiting on weather because I don't have a garage to do that sort of thing, so I am out in the weather. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got a cover for it out of the yard or the driveway. But other than that, I'm not doing a ton of stuff to it. It has no skid plate, no engine guards. I would like to add those. But that's going to be a matter of finances. And like I said, we're balling on a budget. That's kind of what we do around here. So again, if the audio is trash, I apologize. I will do what I can to clean it up. And yeah, let's go.